Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Casita Maya Hotel. My name is Jezabel Flores, your butler for today. How can I help you, ma'am? Okay, ma'am. I assist you in the front desk. Before we let go, please allow me to carry your luggage, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I received your luggage in a good condition. Is there any fraggles inside your luggage, ma'am? Okay, ma'am. This way, ma'am, to the front desk. This way, ma'am. Please sign in for your personal preference, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Since you're done signing in, this is your key. Your room number is 103, located at first floor. This way, ma'am. We're here at the front your room. Numbers 103. May I have your key to open this door for you, ma'am? Thank you, ma'am. Welcome to your room, ma'am. Where do you want to put this luggage, ma'am? Okay, ma'am. This is your luggage, ma'am, in a good condition. If you need more assistance, don't hesitate to dial 001 for housekeeping department. We pleased to serve you. Thank you, ma'am, and have a good day. Thank you, ma'am, for staying in our hotel. We're looking forward seeing you in your next check-in. Have a good day.